May God bless us all. May God bless our cities and municipalities. And may God bless our beloved Negros Oriental. Magbuglasan na ta 2025.
The story of the elements begins. And so, see, yet unbreakable, a promise that Buglasan shall endure. And now we will begin our offering of tokens with our governor, Manuel Choco Sagaria. Can some of us board can move here? You have one Caesar, pair of Caesars each. So some of the board members can move here on this side. And our regional director. At my cow. Can we ask the photos to please be on the other side, because you can take the photos of the mayors also, because this is a simultaneous cutting of this beautiful ribbon. Provincial Tourism Office. At my count, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and cut! Yeah, mga kumplata na ta!
Kita magsahulog, mga lungsod ug syudad, tanan mag-abot, kultura ug sayaw.
Go back to our seats. We will listen to our head.
Honorable members of the Sangguniang Pandalawigan of Negros Oriental, of course headed by the Vice Governor, please, yes. Let's give them a big round of applause. They also did. May God bless us all. May God bless our cities and municipalities. And may God bless our beloved Negros Oriental. Magbuglasan na ta 2025.